Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to select and move clips to the right in DaVinci Resolve using keyboard shortcuts. So by using this method, you're selecting all the clips on the right-hand side of the playhead. First, place your cursor where you want to begin the selection. If you press the shortcut Alt plus Y, you can see we are selecting the clips on the right-hand side. On a Mac, you will press Option Y. Now you can just click, hold, and drag them to move them to the right like this. If you press Control plus Alt plus Y or Command plus Option plus Y on a Mac, you're selecting the clips on the left-hand side, and then you can move those clips to the right as well. If you only press Y on your keyboard, you're selecting all the clips on the right-hand side, however, only in video track 1, and if you now drag them, you can move them to the right like this. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.